So what I do is just do it parallelly with me. Go to SC11. We'll create one structure type. It won't take more than 5 minutes. Do it parallelly with me. Go to SC11.
Sir, are you sharing screen, sir?
Oh, yeah, I'm sharing. So go to SC11. So I not opened SAP and open. Go to SC11, all of you. Go to SC11. Choose the radio button data type. There is a data type, one option will be there, right? Create one structure type quickly. So go to SC11. Choose the data type radio button. Which radio button is data type? Here, data type. Go to here. Choose this one. Do here some material information. ZMAH underscore Mara. November. Click on create. You'll get this type of pop-up. So data element we have done. So we'll create a structure type and table type. Table type is for internal table. Structure type is for work area. With the structure type, you will get this type of screen. Structure is true, it will not hold any data permanently. Only in the ABAP runtime the data will be stored. Here you can give material number, material type, material group, units of measure. Give these field names and data type as well. MATNR, MTRT, MATKL, MANS. How do I know data element is component? Data element is MATNR. Anyone think and tell me from where you can get these data types? From which table I am taking all the demos, right? So all the concepts I am taking is from Mara table only. These fields is there in Mara table. So if you open Mara table parallelly, you see what is the data element. This is data element section. So this is the field names. Open Mara table parallelly. Right? Then you can see all the fields information and data element here as well. Right? Material number, data element. Material type. This is MTRT, material type, data element. Right? Material group, data element. Units of measure, data element. So like that I'm giving here. Okay, save it now. Check syntax. No syntax. Activate now. Done. Now this is a global structure type here. This is a global structure type. Global structure type means you can use these structure types in across the ABAP programs, and also you can use inside the function modules. Also, you can use the class methods. Class methods. You can use all these places. You can use here. You can use here. This is the concept of global data type here. Here we create a structure type here. Now go to here. You can use in the web program. How do you use this one? To create a work area. Go to SC38. Any doubts you can ask me. I can wait for 2 minutes. Here, why we are not using any MA entity field? Think and tell me. Client field. Why we are not using client field here? Why MA entity field we are not giving here? Hello?
Which field, sir? MA?
MA entity. We are not using here MA entity field, right? For every table you'll be having MA entity. Why we are not using MA entity field here?
Because of data structure.
Correct. It won't store any data. What is the purpose of client MA entity field? Last class we have done the practical.
Yes, when we
What
do
is
the
the use of the MA
table,
entity field?
when we do the internal table for MA and it
Hmm?
is mandate. Internal table, customized table is required.
No, no, no. MA entity, in which scenario MA entity is required? First of all, if you take any table, what will signify the MA entity field? Suppose if you take Mara table right here, what is the significance of MA entity field? This is what we have done in the last session.
Yes, sir. Due to different clients, like we have a development, quality, and production system.
No. System is different. To specify the client data specific, right? Because as we discussed in the last session, development client, any testing client, right? Customizing client like that. So data is specific, all business data, right? To specify that which client the data, in which client the data we have been inserted, that MANET we should give all business data, sales orders, so purchase orders, so materials, so all these things. And also I showed you which is not a business data. Which is not the business data? Think, can anyone tell me? Any basically two types of data. One is business data, other one is business data. Examples I told already just now. All information, whatever you maintain in the typical SAP projects or SAP clients like sales, purchasing, inventory, all the things, materials, all the information is called as the business data. What is the other data in general will be having?
Transaction data.
Transaction data also is business data only. Okay, suppose if I give table, the table name, the table is the business data or not a business data? Data element name, data element properties, domain, program, is this are business data or not business data?
Business data.
No, tables, programs are not a business data. Those are information of technical
Yes,
information.
technical.
Technical data. This comes under technical data. In typically anything if you take data, business data, right? And technical data. Technical data. So business data is examples is all day to day, all day to day data that we maintain or use by the client in any industry, I can say. Right? Example is purchaser data, purchase order, PO data, SO data, purchase order, sales order, materials, plant, company code, storage location. Everything is comes on the business data only. The technical data is table name, data element, domain, program. Okay, all this comes under technical data. So for this is a client independent. All technical objects are domain or data elements are client independent. Hence, you don't need a MA entity field. Right? I told also the example tables, no, where you don't find MA entity field. For example, no, this table also will store inside one table, Mara table also. How do you know? Press F1 here. Go to here. DD02D. Double click on the data element structure, table name. Go to here. Go to value range. So generate will be DD02L. Go to /O, SC11, DD0. SAP tables. We see that there is one table name DD02L. Double click here. Go to display. Right? You can see all the table names here inside this table. In this table, all the SAP database table, your tables will be available. Everything. Suppose if you use JetStar, all custom tables information will be available here. How many records are there? 1769 records are custom tables are there. You can see Mara, Marcy, every table information you can find here. This is Mara table information. This is called not a business data. This is called as metadata terminology, data about the data. In this table, you don't see, do you see any MA entity field here?
No,
No, right?
because of
Why?
technical.
Because this table holds the technical data. Hence, we don't need MA entity. That is the concept.
Sir,
Now
these
we can,
data structures tables when we are using, sir, only program time only we can use when we create the program.
which one?
Data structures.
So in the programs, globally, wherever, whatever you need, global data type, you go for SC11 structure type. Now we will use that in the program SC38. So now we can create a program. If you have created a structure type, what I created, right now, if you go, this is what the structure type I created. This one. Okay, for this you can use an ABAP program. Purpose is ABAP program. Go to /n SC38, right? Global structure type usage. You can create usage of data type. Usage of global structure type. Structure type purpose is to create one record. You can create one record. Choose the executable program. Save it to the package. Right now you can use here there data or carrier underscore mara type. This is a structure type now. Think of what is W underscore mara becomes. What will
Work
become
area,
W underscore mara?
work area.
It becomes work area,
Mara.
correct. Correct. It becomes work area. Meaning, work area, nothing but a structure. It can hold a single record in the runtime of a web program. This is the concept. Now, how to hold the data, how to assign the data to this one, anyone can think of and tell me. How do you assign the data to W underscore para? How to assign the value now for this work area underscore mara? How do you assign? There are how many fields in this one?
Single field.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4 fields will be there. How do you assign this one? So assigning data. assign data to work area fields. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MITNR equal to material number 100. Like this, you can assign work area underscore Mara hyphen material type equal to raw material. Work area underscore Mara MATKL equal to same material group is some 01. Work area underscore Mara units of measure. Save it now.
Sir, if it is required for all material types, do we give material type all?
Here,
Yes.
no, this will hold single value only at a time.
Okay, a single value.
Single value only.
Because you are specifying the M100 material only.
The concept of work area is single record only.
Okay.
This complete together call one record only. If you want to create one more material type data you want to assign, no, you want to assign, no, should again go through here one more step, same step. But it will override the previous value. Suppose material number 200. Material type is finished material. Now, how many records will be there in your work area underscore Mara? Now, if I print work area underscore Mara, how many records will print?
Single record.
Single record only. With which record will print? This record or this record? Second record. It will override this record.
Yes, yes.
If you want this one to be into your, you want more than one, you should create an internal table now. This is what I said in the last class. Huh? You can create an internal table here using IT underscore Mara type table of your structure type. Oh, sorry. Structure type this one. Now this becomes, it can hold more than one record. You can give here append area underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. Here also append area underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. What is append will do?
It will consider a work area to internal table.
Append one record
Integration.
from work area to internal table. This is the concept of append statement. This one also. Append one record from work area to internal table. If you want to print, how do you print this one? Using which concept you would print this data? Two records are there now.
It will allow both, sir, actually.
How do you print now? If you want to print the data, how do you print? Using which concept data will be print from the internal table? This now internal table data is there. We have done loop statement earlier, last class, loop of internal tables. Right? To display the data, we should loop internal table. Loop at IT underscore Mara into work area underscore and loop. Then you can print here. maybe 30 position or carry underscore 40 position or carry underscore Mara material type. Maybe 50 position. So how many times the loop will execute? So how many times the loop will execute? How many times the loop will execute? Hello?
How many times? 40 and 50 means it will allow.
What is the meaning of 40, 50?
It's limitation of until 40 records, sir, or
No, 40 is position from left side. 40 means. 40 means from left side the position. Here, if we execute here, execute here. Left side position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, like that. This position. So how many records, how many loops will execute now? How many times the loop will execute? How many, first of all, how many records are there in the internal table? IT underscore Mara, how many records are there? First of all, what is IT underscore Mara?
internal table of
Hmm.
Mara. We created
Correct.
some fields.
Correct.
Reference to.
How many records are there now in this internal table? Line number 28. If it comes to line number 28, how many records are there in the internal table?
These two records are M100 and M200.
Oh, M1, M100, F200 is not a record, it is a field. This whole thing is a record. This whole thing is a record. This is one record. So two records will be there, two records will print. So two times will print, loop will execute. Right? If you go to here, you can have analyze the debug mode also. Stop here, execute. Right? Control 13. Search here. W underscore Mara. Do you see the structure? This is empty now. Double click it is empty. This is empty here. Now you are assigning the values here. Do you see now M100 has come here? Right side, see the screen. Where is my control currently now? In the debugger. Where is
13,
my
sir.
control
Row number
currently?
13.
13 or 14? See, observe for arrow symbol, arrow. Where is the arrow symbol now?
14, sir. 14.
14, 14. That is the control actually. So once the 14 is executed, so what will happen? Once 14 will execute, what will happen? First of all, what we are doing 14, variable 14?
For, for this record, we identify the material type.
We are assigning the material type. Right? If you execute now line number 14, how do you execute? Click this button. Now do you see here raw has come here into the work area. Double click here, you can double click here. Show here. Material number has come, raw has come. Now where is my control currently? Which line number? Control is in which line number currently now?
15, sir.
Correct, correct. So 15 is executed, what will happen? 01 value will come to your work area, third field. See here. If I click on single step. Do you see now W underscore Mora has come third field as well. Now if I click on here, fourth field also will come to work area. So now work area underscore Mora is having 4 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fields, this is the data. Yeah. Now this append will do what exactly will do append?
It happened from internal table, sir.
From work area to internal table, it will append data. Now IT underscore Mora, you see it is empty or not here. IT underscore Mora, it is empty or not. What is 0 here?
0 means there is no data in table, sir.
Internal table, correct. Correct. 4 means?
Like number of records, like fields. How many fields we created for the table.
Fields, correct, correct. Number of fields. What is the 112? 112 is the bytes. You don't need to think about that. Internal memory space for that. Now you double click here. Do you see empty or not here? No
Empty.
records, right? Empty, it's empty, right? No records. But fields are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, see what happens. Do you see one record has come now to your IT underscore Mara? Double click here. One record came here. Right? Now, second record you are populating to work area now. Now tell me, if line number 21 will execute, what will happen to this part? This part.
Overwrite, sir.
Correct, correct. You are right. It will overwrite because structure will hold only one value at a time. See here. Do you see now M200 came here? Here.
Yes.
Same line number 22 also raw is gone. Pin will come. Pin came here. And this M8 is because same value, it will override with same value. This also will become KZ, comes KZ only. Now after line number 25 executes, what will happen? After line number 25, we will execute. What will happen? Each append will add one record from work area to internal table. Now, if this statement execute line number 25, what will happen? right? So second record will add now. Now IT underscore Mara is the two records here. Two records here. Now this loop process it to execute the number of records and to print. First record will print. 40 means what is 40 and 50? What is 40 and 50?
Position, sir. You said.
Positions, yes. Now this will print in the output here. Okay. So like this, you can use this one. And you can also create a table type also. Here, structure type we created. Table type also you can create. Global structure type. You can also create a global table type. Global table type. You can create and you can use directly in the ABAP programs, but do declare the internal table. Table type directly you can create in S11. Go back, go to S11. Okay. Go to here. You can go underscore TT, table type. Click on create. You see now third option should choose table type. Go to here. Internal table type. Table type is internal table type. Right? Go to built-in type. Line type you should give the your structure type. Just now what you created. This one. Save it now. Now this becomes internal table type, not the internal table. So this table type you can with this table type you can use in any number of tables to create internal tables. This is your table type, and you can use any number of programs. This is program 1. Program 2. Program 3. All these places you can use this table type to create an internal table. Inside the SAP function models also you can use. This is functional model. All these places you can create an internal table. Now what I can do here is if I go to here program, I'll go to here, go data, right? IT underscore Mara. Type. No need of table type because it is already internal table now. Should not go table type here. You can just copy paste this name here. Now this will become an internal table. Here also you can create. This is second program, another program. Here also you can create maybe IT underscore data, IT underscore MAT details, material data. Type into. Like this you can reuse in any number of places. Any questions here? Hello? You can do it quickly if you are okay. And then you use this table type to declare the internal table. Go to S11. Sorry, S38. You can create one more internal table here. IT underscore material details type. It become internal table. Right? Activate now. Click on edit. Why this error is coming? Think and tell me. Why this error is coming?
is materials detail table we don't.
What is the mistake?
G,
Maybe here syntax
G,
mistake.
G should be.
No. Right? What could be this error? Think and tell me. Simple error. Comma, right? Because comma is missing here. You should read comma because continuation statement. Done now. Now your IT underscore MAT details, IT underscore more of same only. Two internal tables now. You can pass the same way like this. You can pass the data. Right? You can pass the same way like this here now. IT underscore mat details. Mat details. So like this you can copy paste now. Now how many internal tables are there in my program? Internal tables. How many internal tables are there? Two, right? Because I declared two internal tables.
Two tables.
Two internal. That's all. Okay, if you want, I can go this code and see. You can practice this one. So demo program mode, structure type and table type. So I'll give the homework also. Let me share my screen. Similar way you can do it. What you can do is a scenario. You can do small scenario. Create one structure type. With what fields you can choose is purchase order fields here. Okay, EKKO fields. So what fields go to here? EKKO. Click on display. Right? Using the EBLN. using EBLN. This is the table. EKQ is the table name. Table here. EBLN is one field. BUKRS, BSTYP, BUKRS, BSTYP. Okay. Company code, purchase document category, BSCRT, right? BSCRT also. With these fields, create one structure type. Structure type, create structure type, create in SC11 using with the fields mentioned here. Okay. Structure type must be starting with Z. Structure type must be, this is structure type Z, image. Image is I'm giving my name, EKQ. Like this, you should go naming standards. Structure type here. Now you use this is the above structure type in ABAP program and assign the data to work area and also create internal table, add at least 5 records. What data I should add? How do you know what data I should add? You can go to EKQ and take any table data, any data. Do this step, this one. This is one homework. Same way you can do for EK, VBAK table also. Go to VBAK table. The more you practice in a scenario base, it will be more interesting. VBAK table. Take the fields VBLN, VBTYP, VBLN, VBTYP, VBLN, VBTYP. Take transaction group, TRVO, TROG, TRVOG, and AUART. Okay, and same thing, use the program in the program. Use the above structure type in a web program. Could be clear, work area, and internal type. Okay. For both of the above structure types, create one internal table type also. Same like how we are done in the class. Go through the recording and then you can do it. Okay. So, any questions here? Hello? Okay, so we'll move on to the other topics, right? So simply, few programs will go for the if conditions. I go to here. Clear statement we have done or not? Clear statement. Constants we have done already. I think clear already we have done. So we'll go to loop statements, if conditions, joins, control statements here. I can give these programs now only. Wait 1 minute. I will attach these programs for your homework. Okay. So we'll go to one more new program. Any questions here? Hello? Let's go to save it here. Save it. Save it. Activate. Okay, for example, I'll take one by one quickly. First, I'll take if condition. What is A here? What is the A we call here?
Condition. Yes.
What is A? What is A?
Data.
Hmm? No, what is A? Or V underscore A?
Value, sir.
V underscore A is a variable.
Variable.
Variable, work area, internal table. These three are very important things in ABAP. Without that, no ABAP. Variable is for single field value to store. Work area is single record we have seen already. Internal table is to store more than one record. In the runtime of program, ABAP program. This is very important. Now, what will be the output? Now, is true or false? What will be the output will come?
True, sir.
Uh, True, right? Because 10 is greater than 5, right? It will execute now. So I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop here. Execute. Right? V underscore A. Control is line number 10. If 10 become true, hence it goes to line number 11 now. Okay. So this will be condition is true now. Suppose now tell me this is true or false.
False.
False. Why?
Our condition is 10, but we are giving only for 3.
No, condition is not for 10. Condition is for 5. You are comparing with the 5 here, right? Not with
Yes,
the 10.
yes.
No, 3 is greater than 5.
No.
Any questions here, fellow? No? Now tell me. It become condition true or false? See my code carefully. 10 and 11.
True, sir.
Huh?
True, sir.
True. Huh? How it is true? Think all of you. What is the line number 11 will do? What is line number 11 will do? what this clear will do, you can copy paste, try this program parallelly better. Do it parallelly. You copy paste this program, do it parallelly, maybe better. Try. Put a breakpoint and try. What the clear statement will do. What this clear will do, you can copy paste this program and you can try. So first execute and see what is the output you are getting. What the clear statement will do? So I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute. At v underscore a is 15 here, 10. Now what will become? Where is my control currently? Control is currently line number 10, right? So once the 10 executes, what will happen?
It will clear, sir. It will 0.
Ah, so clear will do. See what happened now here, clear?
0.
Why it is 0 has come?
Here our initial value is 10, sir.
Cut, perfect. To initialize the value, initial value, because index data type is initial value is 0, it became a 0. Now this become false, right? A is greater than 5. 0 is greater than 5? No. right? This is also same. This is also same. What is the else if we copy paste this code? Now what statement will execute here? Tell me, think and tell me. What will be the output if I execute this one? I can copy paste in our group as well. Try to execute this one. Or see the code. What will be the output? What will be the output?
It fails.
Uh, what will be the output? Which statement will execute?
Last statement will execute, sir, less than 2.
Correct, right? Because 2 greater less 2 greater than 5, no, this will become fail. This also will fail. This also will fail. This will become true. Other than, so I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Activate this. Execute now. Right? It goes to here. Else if A is greater than 4, no. Because A value is 2 here. Now where will go the control here? Where is control currently now? Line number 24, right?
24.
24 will fail, right? Because A is less than 4. So it will not go to 25. It go to next else condition. This also fails, right? 2 is greater than 3? No. It goes to 28 line. Else spot. It will print this one. Whereas Now what will be the output if I execute this one? Right? Which output will come now?
Third statement will be
Which one will print? Third, right? This one, right? 3, 4 is greater than 3. Yes, it will print this one. Execute now here. Execute. Right? Here control came to here. Here goes to here. What is the A value now currently? 4. 4 is greater than 4? No. It goes to this one. 4 is greater than 3? Yes. It goes to here. Print this one. Okay. Case statement will do. Case statement also similar to if condition. For simple cases, you can go for the case statement. Now, what will value will print? What will be the output now? Case statement is also conditional statement. Right? Case statement also is conditional statement. If I put a breakpoint here, case statement, we'll compare. Execute now. Right? Case A. A value is 4. Right? Now this become true or false. Right, number 40. 4 equal to 4. Right? Where will go the control? Currently, where is my control now? Currently,
40.
40 current control. So this become true, right? 4 is equal to 4. Execute this one. That's all. This is a case statement. We'll write a loop statement, do loop. So, into. So how many times this statement, wait statement will execute here? How many times the loop, this loop statement will execute here? Do loop. How many times the loop will execute? Do 5 times. How many times it is good?
5 times, sir, it's allowed.
8 times. So 5 times the output execute here. Activate execute here. Right? Do loop. Do loop demo, do loop demo. 5 times is executing. Right? Suppose now this one how many times will execute? Line 48 I commented now. Right? How many times this will loop will execute? This is the interview question.
I think it will not allow.
How many times the loop will execute this one? This is infinite loop. This is infinite loop. Will execute n number of times. Okay.
Sir, we have after 14 and 50, we are using do 5 times. Then again 51, 52, 53. System will consider only 48, 49 only.
48 I
Infinite.
commented code. 48 code I commented. 48 code is not there. Which is star symbol here? Star. Star means commented. Do not work that code. Right? So this will be going on executing, do and do. This loop will go execute n number of times.
Sir, does it throw any runtime error because it is executing a number of times?
It goes to infinite. No, it won't give any error. No? It will go on executing, executing, executing. We can do it now. I will put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Right now it will execute. 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 Going on executing. It will go to infinite. It will terminate after some time. Now it's going on executing.
So in output, any specific report will be updated. How can we get
Output,
the output?
output nothing will come because now we created an infinite loop. Right? It will go to termination program. Unless you have to log off now. No other option. You have to log off to system again, log in. What is the program name I created just now? Conditional break, right? Or control break statements. See. So there is a loop index. I put the comment this one now. Loop index. That is system variable here. This is system variable. SY index here. Think of what will be the output if we execute this one. This is system variable. It will give the current loop iteration number. You can write here. What statement? Current loop iteration number is that you can give SY index. Okay, what I do is I put a first to this one comment. Now this one put a comment. Then if I execute, you understand what is meaning of SY index now. What is the index value? Showing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Loop iteration number. Current iteration number. Now think and tell me, if I line number 48, if you write this statement and 58 this statement, loop index value before loop execution, loop index value after loop execution. Think and tell me what is the line number 48 and 59, 48 and 57 will give. What will be the output? What is the line number 48 will do? Think and tell me. 48. Try to execute this program. So I'll give this program. Copy paste and execute. Try execute this, copy paste and execute the program. What will be the output? Hello. At 0, 0. Because before index, before loop iteration, default value is 0. After the loop iteration loop is done, that variable will not be having any values. Exit. So you can use the exit statement also here. For example, if sy hyphen index equal to exit. Now think and tell me this loop, do loop, how many times will execute? This loop, how many times the loop will execute? Observe the code line number is 53 and 54. Think and tell me how many times the loop will execute. Do and do. How many days the loop? This loop will execute. Hello. What will become this one? Exit. Exit will make to control to come out of the do loop. Right? If I put a breakpoint here, no? Stop. Execute. So where is my control now? Line number 53. Right? 1. So this become true or false. Line number 53 is true or false. 50 is true or false? 53. Hello, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 53 line number become true or false? SY index value is 1. 1 is equal to 2. True or false?
It's false, sir.
Also, it won't go to line number 54. It goes to line number 57. Now next loop iteration. Now where is my control? Arrow symbol. Where is the arrow symbol now currently? $50. That arrow symbol is 50 now. So what will become SY index value become true. 2 is equal to 2. True. Goes to line number 54. If once 54 executes, so think on where will go the control? Where will go the control? So exit means it comes out of the loop, do loop. It goes to here. Execute. This is the output. Okay. Next, continue statement. Now one thing can tell me line number 59 will execute how many times? This statement. Execute how many times? Continue means to go back. Think and tell me here. Think the deep condition, line number 56. Continue means to go back next iteration. It won't execute next statements. I'll copy paste this one, practice this one. Let's see what happened. Continue. Put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Count to the line number 50. Execute. If anyway. Now this will become true or false. 56 line number code. This statement is true or false. One is less than. What is the do value? No. That's why index value is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3. True or false? One is less than or equal to 3. True, right? Goes to continue. Again go back. Next iteration. 2, no. 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, true. Go back. Continue means go back to the 50 line number. Continue. No, 3. 3 is less than 3. No. Don't go to continue statement. It goes to next statement. Sorry, less than or equal to 3. Yes. Now it becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. No. So 57 will not go. Go to 59. And this will execute. This is the output. Okay. I'll stop here.